Knocks him out.
There's nothing funny up here, but just to be safe. I made it 24 hours without laughing. It's terrible, Patrick. I can't laugh anymore.
What happened?
I went a whole day without laughing, and now my laugh is gone.
Let me take a look. It's dark in here. I better light a match.
Come in. Mr. Krabs,
What's wrong, boy?
I lost my laugh.
You've come to the right place, son. You know, there's one